Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, August the 9th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles: the 1-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the tectonic, aka jigsaw puzzle, binary puzzle. No, jigsaw Sudoku, yes. And this one you are interested, it's the binary puzzle number 6895. Yeah, 6895. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means 8 by 8. In a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here. Oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct! Finish in 2 minutes. Well. This one is so very easy. Too easy to solve. Yeah. But we solve it again in 2 minutes. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.